In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get your old W2 forms from TurboTax. This can be a handy skill, especially if you need to reference your previous tax returns or are gathering materials for something like a mortgage application. Let's walk through this process together step by step so you'll know exactly what to do. First off, let's head over to the official TurboTax website. If you typically use their services to file your taxes, you should already be familiar with the site. It's designed to make tax filing straightforward and efficient. Once you're there, right at the top of the page, you're going to want to click on the Sign In button. This is where you'll enter your login credentials, the same ones you use each year for your taxes. If you've forgotten your password, don't worry, there's always an option to reset it using your email address. After successfully logging in, you'll find yourself on the TurboTax homepage. Feel free to take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout if you haven't been here for a while. Now, to access your W2 forms, navigate to the section marked TurboTax Free Edition 2024. Although the section name mentions 2024, it allows you access to previous year's materials as well. Once there, locate the search bar at the top of the page. Here you're going to type in W2. This search will direct you specifically to areas related to your W2 forms within TurboTax. Next, you'll see an option that says Jump to W2. Click on this link. This handy shortcut takes you directly to the area where your tax forms, including W2s, are stored. The system is designed to save you time by taking you straight to what you're looking for without having to sift through a lot of information. Now that you're in the right section, you'll be prompted with an option that says, "We'll start with your W2." Click on this prompt. At this point, TurboTax will guide you through the process of locating and reviewing your W2 forms from previous years. The interface is user-friendly, so follow any on-screen prompts and you'll see a list of the forms associated with your past tax returns. Going through these steps should provide you with access to your old W2s whenever you need them. Just remember that your account needs to be in good standing and that you filed using TurboTax in previous years. If any issues arise or your documents aren't showing up, double check that you're using the correct account credentials or contact TurboTax support for further assistance. I hope this guide was clear and helpful for retrieving your W2 forms. Feel free to revisit this video whenever you need a refresher and don't hesitate to leave questions if you have any concerns or need further clarification.